What if dinosaurs never went extinct? 66 million years ago, a rock the size of Mount Everest slammed into Earth. It ended the age of dinosaurs and began ours. But what if that asteroid had missed? Would Earth still belong to the dinosaurs? Would we even exist? When the asteroid hit, dinosaurs ruled every corner of the planet. They weren't just giant lizards lumbering through jungles. They were a thriving, evolving empire. From chicken-sized raptors to multi-ton titans, the asteroid didn't wipe them out because they were weak, because it changed everything. The sky darkened for years. Plants stopped growing. Temperatures plunged. It wasn't the impact that killed them, but the starvation that followed. So, if that hadn't happened, the age of dinosaurs would have rolled right on. The small, feathered ones, the ancestors of today's birds, were already spreading fast. They could have evolved into all kinds of shapes and sizes, filling the air with creatures far stranger than modern birds. Ecosystems would stay lush and reptile-dominated, but that comes with a price. No room for mammals. Mammals existed back then, but they were tiny, nocturnal, and mostly scared of being lunch. If dinosaurs had stayed, mammals would have remained small and shy. No primates, no humans. Could dinosaurs evolve intelligence? That said, evolution loves to experiment. Some small theropods, like Troton, already had large brains relative to their body size. They hunted in packs, used their hands, and had excellent vision. Given another 60 million years, could they have become the humans of their world? Over time, that could lead to tool use, communication, even civilization, though it might look nothing like ours. Imagine cities of feathered reptiles building nests of steel and glass, commuting on maglev trains, eating insects instead of hamburgers, and complaining about the heat instead of the cold. Earth's climate with dinosaurs. The asteroid impact cooled the planet drastically, leading eventually to ice ages. Without that cooling, Earth might have stayed much warmer and wetter, covered in tropical forests and shallow seas. The polar regions could have been mild, with rainforests circling the globe. Reptiles love warmth, and that would have given them a huge evolutionary advantage over mammals. However, this stable warmth might also mean slower climate fluctuations, fewer ice ages, fewer opportunities for massive evolutionary shifts. So even if intelligent dinosaurs evolved, it could have taken them far longer than it took us. The butterfly effect. And here's the thing. Once you remove one mass extinction, you remove all the domino effects that followed. No asteroid means no massive volcanic winter cleanup. No rise of flowering plants the same way. No grasslands, no apes. Earth would still be full of life, just not our kind of life. It would be alien, pterosaurs gliding over coral jungles, massive predators hunting on steamy plains, and intelligent reptilian beings perhaps staring up at the stars. And maybe somewhere in that alternate timeline, a dinosaur YouTuber is asking, what if mammals had taken over the planet? And everyone in the comments is saying, impossible, they're way too soft. Sometimes, survival isn't about being the strongest species. It's about being lucky enough to live after the disaster.